In this video I will show how to find legitimate work from home jobs without fees. While this is a long list, it's not close to being your only option for home-based employment. In fact, a better way to get a work-at-home job is to do searches on sites that list telecommuting job openings. A company, like one listed above, may have a work-at-home program, but it may not be hiring at this time, whereas a job search site lists current job openings. Some places to look for work from home jobs like LinkedIn. Not only can you network for jobs, but also, LinkedIn has a job board. FlexJobs. This resource isn't free, but it guarantees its jobs are scam-free, and it make finding work-at-home jobs easy. Plus it provides company information, tips for applying and much more. CareerBuilder. Using keywords such as work-at-home, telecommute, and remote, you can find many home-based jobs. You do need to watch out for business ops and other schemes. Indeed.com, Indeed, and other sites like it such as Simply Hired and ZipRecruiter pull jobs from a variety of sources, making it easy to search for work in one place. Because it's a general job search site, you need to use keywords such as work at home, telecommute, and remote to filter the home-based jobs. You also need to watch out for business ops and scams. Career-specific sites, like traditional jobs, work-at-home job searches start with your skills and experience. Depending on your background, there may be a job search site in your area. For example, if you're a teacher or work in education, check out Connections Academy. If you're a writer, visit MediaBistro.com. If you want to work for a nonprofit, check out Idealist.org. If your background is in insurance, nursing, social work, or other medical, visit United Healthcare or Humana, both of which have many home-based jobs. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my Jan Info channel. Thank you.